So let us start by introducing ourselves. Hari sir, please introduce yourself.
Yes, good evening. My name is Hari Kutty, and I am from Mumbai. Currently, I am working with my own self.
So myself, Aditya Mukherjee, I am from Kolkata, and right now I am pursuing entrepreneurship from ILIT College. And after graduation, I want to start my own business. Thank you. Okay, so Hari sir, please give a brief intro about Tinder.
So, actually, it's a dating app, Tinder. So, where it helps the millennials, young generation, to find their maybe girlfriend or boyfriend, or someone wants to get married. So, even that is being done through these apps.
So, do you think Tinder is
So
popular in
how
India?
about yes, kind of. It's very popular in the especially in the youth and even means uh, it's
Hello?
it has its yeah. I'm audible. Hello.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. So I'm saying it is popular. Or what? How about you? What do you think? Is it possible? Is
Well,
it
I don't
popular?
know that much because I haven't used Tinder until up till now. So I can't say.
You are not. You haven't been in there in Tinder, so you don't
I
know.
am still used Tinder. I
Okay,
can't say.
okay. Hmm. No, but if there is a case study on Tinder in YouTube and it has successfully employed many good employees, like good people, educated people are employed with Tinder. So and they have a good turnover. So it can't be it can't happen without being popular. So they are popular and means the one statement that the boy told in the case study कि अब प्यार के लिए भी तुम मतलब पैसा देके ये कर रहे हो so that is the thing actually people are paying because the lifestyle is very hectic in metros cities they need to find time for something so people log in such apps and they try to get.
Okay. So why do you think life is so hectic in metro cities?
No, they don't get time for themselves.
Why
उसके
is it?
डेवलपमेंट के लिए because the city is like that na the culture is like that the work culture the traveling style people travel long distances and in a metropolitan city life is very different as compared to a small tier 1 or tier 2 city. So in a tier 1 tier 2 city you know the neighbors, you know your neighbors, you have some limited friends, but in a cosmopolitan or a metropolitan city you are so busy that you don't know who is your neighbor for 1 year, maybe the entire lifetime you never see your neighbor who is your neighbor. So
We
loneliness
know a
is
lot of
too
people on
much.
Facebook. That's the irony.
Yes,
We don't in metro city. We don't know our neighbors, but we know a lot of people on Facebook.
right, true. So big life has become that netizen people are more kind of into internet and Facebook and these such WhatsApp, such social media apps. So because of that, they lots of companies are there. It is not only Tinder, many other companies. If you play some game in your like mobile, you will keep getting that pop-up like download this app, you will find your life partner. So there are many such apps. So these companies, like, this has become a segment. In fact, the dating thing, this has become a segment in business. Like, when you are opening your own company, or when you are registering your company, you get an option whether you are into dating kind of thing. So if you are a dating company, or if you provide dating services, you can register your company on that also. So so it means it is popular business. Like, this is a well known business. Like, even if we say the matrimony, shadi.com, and these are somewhat not dating, but it's a genuine one. Like, the family members are also involved. So, but when we go for Tinder, it is basically just a uh, dating and such type of app. So only youngsters, those who are interested, they will get, they can register themselves on that.
Oh,
So why you don't have a profile? Like, what, you have a girlfriend already, or how it is?
no, actually, I don't believe in girlfriend boyfriend so much. I believe in being best friend. That's it.
Okay, so you have best friend already. You found your best friend
Yes,
outside.
I mean I have lot of friends. That can be of school or college, many places.
Okay.
If I am to make friendship with a girl, so in that case
Mm-hmm.
I don't believe in making her my girlfriend. I would believe in making her my best friend. But I don't believe in
Acha.
a boyfriend girlfriend. That's a stupid one kind of stupid concept.
Mm. Mm-hmm. You have any friends who have
Yeah.
such thing? You Do you have any friend or
Do I have
uh,
any?
classmate who have been into this type of lifestyle? He has, like, he brags about, see, I have a girlfriend, and they keep posting
Can
pics
you
on
repeat the
Facebook.
question again?
I'm asking, do you have any colleague or your classmate who are like, uh, if they have a boyfriend or girlfriend, and they will post the pics together. So how do you think about that?
Well, as per right now in college, I have about 20 plus classmates. So right now, I don't think any of them have any girlfriend. Most of them are boys.
Acha.
As far as I know,
Okay.
they don't have any
Uh-huh.
girlfriend as of now.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so Hari sir, one question I wanted to ask you. So as you said, the life in metropolitan cities are very busy. So do you think people are busy because of their job?
Mhm. It- Not exactly only because of job. There can be many other things, like traveling to workplace, job, then personal life. So there can be a number of factors that makes the life been busy in metropolitan city.
The traveling because of what? Traveling because of job, right?
Yes. Traveling because of job, or maybe uh, commuting, daily commuting to your workplace. That in itself involves lots of time is involved in that.
So, do you think if a person quits his job and starts his own business, so after
Hmm.
that, if his business becomes successful, he would get more free time for himself?
Yes, once your business gets into auto mode, then it is possible that you will get more time. you can give more time to your loved ones and your friends and your family members, of course.
Okay, Naman, please give a brief intro about Tinder. What do you know about Tinder?
Well, Tinder is basically a dating app. I don't know that much about Tinder because I'm very much, not interested in dating apps. But yeah, I just only know Tinder is dating app. Today, I want more information from your side.
Okay, Tinder is basically a dating app. So it was made because people in metropolitan cities don't have enough time. They don't have time to for their loved one or to find their life partner or girlfriend. So what basically Tinder does it, Tinder provides a connection or you can say a solution for it. Tinder basically connects the male and the female. What you have to do is just upload your photo on Tinder, and if someone likes it, then you can see if someone likes your photo. But in that case, you have to like her photo also. Then it would be a match, and then you can talk with each other or plan for a date. So that's it. Simple solution.
Yeah, I think Tinder is more suited for Western countries rather than Indian countries. I think we have a very good matchmaking, system, right?
Yeah,
What do you think about this?
I think in India, Tinder is popular also, not only in Western countries.
പാൻ്റെ അവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
Yes. And Naman, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. That
Yeah.
time there was some distortion.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I think Tinder is also popular in India, apart from Western countries.
I'm not saying about India. India has a very good matchmaking system. In Western countries, there's nothing known as matchmaking, right? There's only like having a partner, dating, and then deciding about marriage, right? So, what do you think? Tinder is just for casual relationships or for serious relationships?
That depends upon the person who is using the Tinder. If he wants just
Right.
casual relationship, then also he
Hmm.
can use Tinder. If you want serious
Hmm.
relationship, then also you can use Tinder.
Yeah, that's why what I was telling, na.
Yeah.
So actually, in Western countries, the system is like there is a very little known as arranged marriage. There's always love marriage there. Okay. So in most of the Western countries, they do like this. They have to find their own partner. They have to get married. So that is not the responsibilities of the parents. That is the responsibility of themselves only, right? So that's why Tinder was one of the things to connect with people, more people. Obviously, you have to see, you have to go through. You can't means like there's a circle, right? You have a circle, you have a societal circle, right? Now you can't go beyond the societal circle, or it's very tough to explore to go beyond that societal circle if you don't have time, right? So that's why I think Tinder was there to actually, you know, make to to make the youth or those people who are uh, just wait a minute.
So Naman, if you were given the opportunity, would you use Tinder or would you manually look for your partner? Which one would you choose?
I would rather do manually than to use Tinder
Why?
because you know Tinder in India especially it has become for casual relationships. Whenever you hear the name Tinder, it's known for casual relationships, not serious ones, right? So it's rather to know your partner very well and then approach them and just find in a societal circle because it's very more easier to find, and it's very more convenient because mostly you will know that person, right? Rather than an unknown person is coming to you and you're dating, then knowing, but initially you don't know their parents, don't know about the background, anything can happen, right? So that's why what I was telling, it's very easy to find in your societal circle, right?
Okay, Hari sir. So, do you think a person would feel shy to talk about using Tinder? I mean, suppose if a person uses Tinder, would he feel shy to tell that to his neighbor that I use Tinder because of Indian society, the rules of Indian society?
Yes, that depends how his relationship with the neighbor. If he is very friendly, so might be he will not hide it and he will tell. So mostly they are afraid to share because of
Their
the
parents would
reason
got them.
that you said. हाँ, yes.
Their
तो
parents
नहीं
would
वो
catch
डर
them.
जाता है ना कि भाई, yeah, not parents, like if he's uh, like if he's single or bachelor, so maybe he might be afraid that parents will catch. But if he is married, then he will think someone will tell my wife. So depends from person to person, right?
Okay, Naman, what do you think?
So I hope.
I think it's my answer is also same like Hariji. It depends person to person. If he is like modern, if he lives in modern age, obviously, uh, it will not. The person will not be shy because he knows that the person who he or she is telling to is knows today's era, and but there are some people who does not, you know, uh, adapt to the new era. They live in their own old age, so those people, I think, will, you know, will have a problem.
Hmm. Okay, so Hari sir, so which age group do you think would use Tinder more? The people between 20 to 30 or people above 30?
So I think you can find the answer by downloading the app.
Why so?
Yeah,
Yes,
It is
better.
written that only for age group of 20, between 20 to 25, like that.
20 to 30, I would say 18 to
Oh,
30. 18.
even I think Naman should download that app and check out.
No, sir. Otherwise, what will happen? Nah, I would get very much depressed if I only swipe right, and I don't get a single, you know, like. Otherwise, people will get depressed. Same here. So why would I download that?
No, why you will swipe right? Someone will also swipe right for you.
That time that time it's an exception.
वही तो है ना. That is the thing where this Tinder comes into
But
picture.
sir, the exception is very rare from the girls' side. Boys' side, there is no much exception, right?
Okay,
From the girls' side, they are very selective.
Hmm.
is it?
Speak to any girl. I think girls are very selective. Uh,
Hmm.
if you say about the dressing style, if you say about what they means about the brands for their makeup, they're very selective. According to me,
Hmm.
it can be different in
Hmm.
your eyes.
Hmm. No, different in my age. You are saying.
No, I'm saying from your point of view, it can be different. It can be like they are very open, but I don't agree with that.
Okay. So, do you think you will get married? You want to get married? or you want to remain bachelor?
सर सिंगल ही बढ़िया है.
Single ही बढ़िया है.
हाँ सर.
Okay.
रोज का कौन झगड़ा झेलेगा?
अरे उस झगड़ा क्यों करना है? जो है मतलब लाइफ अभी तो बोल रहे हो सिंगल सही है. What is your age now? Navar,
हाँ सर.
what is your age?
सर 19.
19.
19. Same.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same.
Okay, so it's good. It's good. You are not on Tinder. अगले 3 साल बाद ही डाउनलोड करना. Okay.
I am also 19. Oh, I thought Naman was between 25 to 30. Okay.
Lol. Why would I be 25 to 30? How do you guess?
I can't say maybe because of your voice.
My
I just
voice.
make a prediction.
My voice doesn't look like that of 25-30 years of age. It looks more of like 14-15 years.
Oh, so that
Teenage
means
voice.
you are not senior to me. Oh, I thought I should call you Bhaiya. Okay, so I can call you Naman. Okay, fine. That's good.
I also did not hear how you were calling Bhaiya to me. I didn't know that. A recording is on, and,
Yeah.
and it's live streaming on YouTube.
So what? People should have some entertainment, right? Not that if there is no entertainment and only case studies, then how can it get more views?
This is the only thing I hate about this GD is that they publish on YouTube.
So what? अरे
So what?
थोड़ा मस्ती तो चाहिए ना.
Suppose Aritra, you are a billionaire, okay, and means you have achieved that success. Let's take about Hariji. Hariji became a very big businessman, and Hariji have like amounts of rupees stacked in his bank, not in his bank account, but invested in a portfolio. He has, you know, every week he has a meeting with the media and TV, sort of like that. But some journalists found, some crooked journalists found about this GD, and they saw that Hariji is saying a different point of view, because in GD a different point of view doesn't matter, right? You can speak anything you want, but in the real life it doesn't happen like that. That's why GD is one place where you can talk what you feel like. So what happens if something Hariji says wrong in one GD and that journalists make a big news out of it, right? So it can happen. That's why privacy issues. Hariji, am I correct?
Yes, you are correct, Naman. But right now, you can. I think our channel is also not that popular that any press reporter will be watching right now. Neither, yes. So neither I am that big personality that making some comments will put me into soup right now. So hopefully will be something big in future. Then I won't be able to say like this publicly, right? नहीं तो
Yeah.
बोलेंगे कि this person he is कुछ होते हैं ना political parties.
हाँ,
They,
connection.
yeah, they will say this is against the sanskar of
Yeah.
Indian sanskar. संस्कृति के खिलाफ बोला है and he will do something. And the other day I will have to take some police protection and move around.
Yeah, you have to also make a public statement. फिर वो झमेला है सर.
Apology.
इसलिए you will see that those billionaires who have amounts of money and those are very famous, they take very much precaution in what they speak in public, right? I have seen that.
Yes, they have to prepare well before going or saying anything, and they have a own PR. Like they have agencies who will take care of their speeches
Reputation.
or of their reputation, what they should speak in public, what they shouldn't, everything. Like most of the thing they will script, and only few things will be not scripted. So most of the matter that they speak in public or in an event, is basically it's a scripted one. So lots of minds are working on that, whether it's a politician or a film star. So still things do happen. So many examples are there, like Deepika Padukone. She was in so for supporting the like this Tukde gang in Delhi. So so many other uh, film stars, they also got into soap just because of this type of foolishness or something, like out of the mind they will speak something and they'll get caught in that media. Once you get caught, then it's difficult for you to come out. Because media is having something else power, a different power in democracy. So they will keep on bombarding you with that questions, and they will keep on asking the same thing. So so it's become very, you have to be very responsible while making any statement. Yes. I remember in this Yen group, there is one more like there was a session of corporate law, and in that the co-host or host was someone from Tinder, like she was an VP in Tinder.
Okay.
Yes.
Like one day we had, I think what there was like who has a startup of emoji. That one you are speaking about.
Emoji.
Yeah, she has a startup. No, what I forgot the name of the startup. She was conducting the session. Oh, girl was conducting the session.
Benwal, I think her name is Benwal or Benwal something. I don't remember exactly. Uh, it's long back, around 2 months
Yeah,
ago.
yeah, I know. I think I have the connection on LinkedIn also.
Okay.
Ovilio or something like that. There was a startup. So she
Okay.
was conducting the person, right? That time you are asking MSME and all, right?
Yes, yes, right,
Yeah,
right, right, right. Exactly the same,
I
same.
know that webinar.
Yes, 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 right.
Aditya, you can stop the recording now. It's 10:48.
Okay, so okay guys, thank you for coming and have a good night.
Stop the recording.